Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial of Slidescope, and in this tutorial you are going to learn about Node.js. Node.js is a powerful open source cross-platform runtime environment that allows developers to execute JavaScript code outside a browser. Usually a JavaScript code runs inside a browser only. For example, if we are clicking here doing something, so usually the JavaScript code runs inside a browser only, but with the help of Node.js we can run and execute a JavaScript code outside a browser. It was created by Ryan Dahl in 2009, and it is built on Google Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. Unlike traditional JavaScript, which is confined to the client side, Node.js enables developer to use JavaScript for server-side programming. If you understand client-side and server-side programming, very good. Otherwise, just stick to this tutorial, try to understand, and then you will understand all of this. Key features of Node.js are: it is single-threaded and asynchronous. That means Node.js uses a single thread for processing, but it's highly efficient due to its non-blocking event-driven architecture. It has cross-platform compatibility. Node.js works across various operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. That's why it makes it a versatile tool for developers. It has NPM or Node Package Manager. Node.js comes with Node Package Manager, which is the largest repository of open source libraries. Basically, if you want to add some functionality in your application, you can get that package or get that library, and it allows developers to easily share, download, and integrate third-party packages into their applications. It is very fast and it is scalable. So thanks to the V8 engine, Node.js executes JavaScript code extremely fast, making it ideal for applications that need to handle large amount of traffic or real-time data. Like it can be a chat app or a gaming platform. And Node.js is ideal for full stack development. That's why you are learning it. Most of the developers are learning Node. With Node.js, JavaScript can be used for both client-side and server-side development, allowing for full stack development using a single programming language. Let's see a simple web application here. It's a very simple CRM application. And in this CRM application, any business can log in and manage their users, products, and leads and orders and different things. So in this application, whatever look the UI, everything that you are seeing on the browser is basically the client side of application. If you will press Ctrl U, you will see this application has been created with the help of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Somewhere you will see JavaScript. In many cases, you will see the CSS file. This is a big CSS file that is used, and a lot of HTML for every page it is used. This is all client side for us. This application uses this database. So we have brands, business details, categories, leads, etc. So whatever you can create, read, update, delete from the UI is actually saved in this server. This is my SQL server. There can be other servers, and in order to pass this information from client side to this database, a server-side programming language like PHP or Python or any other programming language is used. Okay. With Node.js, as we can see, JavaScript can be used for both client-side and server-side development that allows for full stack development using single programming language. Big question is what can you do with Node.js? So you can create web servers and APIs. You can create real-time applications, live streaming, collaborative tools. You can use microservice architecture. You can create single page applications with frameworks like Angular or React for front end. Node.js can be used as backend for single page applications. We are going to learn all of this. You can create IoT applications because Node.js is increasingly used in IoT, which is Internet of Things applications, because of its ability to handle a large number of simultaneous connections. You can create a serverless architecture. Node.js is commonly used in serverless architecture with cloud programs or platforms like AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, or Google Cloud Functions. You can create command line tools. Developer can create custom command line tools with Node.js. You can use data streaming applications, data interactions like as I already showed you MySQL. So database operations where with SQL or no SQL databases like MongoDB, MySQL, PostgreSQL, with any type of SQL database, we can use Node.js. Again, this information may change over time, but LinkedIn, Netflix, PayPal, Trello, and many other popular applications are built with the use of Node.js. Okay, because as you can see, streaming services, real-time updates, mobile backend, everything can be done with the help of Node.js. What is the conclusion? Node.js is a powerful tool for developers looking to create scalable, real-time, and high-performance applications. Its flexibility, event-driven model, and extensive ecosystem via NPM makes it popular choice for modern web and server-side development. If you want to learn full stack web development, or if you want to get started with full stack web development, then Node.js is one of the most common type of Node.js is the most common tool that is used in MERN stack and MERN stack. As you can see here, MERN stack uses MongoDB, Express.js, AngularJS, and Node.js, which is a very popular stack that you can choose to learn full stack web development. Again, MERN stack uses MongoDB, Express.js, and React. So for front end, you can either choose Angular or React. For database, you can use MongoDB, and again, you can use Node.js and Express.js. So MERN and MERN have three common elements. So what we are learning here is full stack web development, and we are learning what is the role of Node.js in full stack web development. Then you will learn what is the role of React and how to create an application with React. So everything will be covered in this tutorial. So stay tuned for that. In the next chapter, we will get started with Node.js. So very quickly, let's skip to that video.